Today I'm going to be reviewing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. So I'll tell you what we got in the box. I set this up and I already use it and it's absolutely amazing. So we got the Osmo Pocket 3, the actual camera, which is this one. It also comes with a protective cover, which is very handy, and it actually has space for 2 of the lenses. The wide angle lens actually comes with this kit, which is really handy. It comes with a DJI Mic 2 transmitter, which is this one, and a handle as well, which you will be able to, there is a thread at the bottom, you will be able to attach different things to it, including, let's say, a selfie stick. There is a battery handle. It comes with a mini tripod, which is quite small, but it's very compact. And it comes with a Type-C charging cable and a carry bag, and also a DJI Mic 2 clip magnet, which was hiding away in the bag, so make sure that you check it because it's in there. And also a DJI Mic 2 windscreen, which goes on the top of the transmitter, and a wide angle lens, which is absolutely brilliant and very handy. Again, it was hiding away in the bag, so please make sure you look for that one. And it comes with a handy carry strap as well, so it's amazing. You will need to get an SD card to go, a micro SD card to go in there, and you will have to download the DJI Mimo app as well to get you started. Compact, very small, and it makes a brilliant addition to any kind of content creation, or just if you want to take pictures. So go for it.
Okay, let's go.